Hi, my name is AJ Nidek. I'm one of the sales leaders here at the TUTCO Heating Solutions Group. Today we're going to be talking about some products from TUTCO SureHeat. Two of our air heaters here in two different series are Jet and our Max. Both of these heaters can handle up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit inlet temperature, up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit exhaust. They are UL, CE, and RoHS compliant. Both of these heaters have two Type K thermocouples already installed. So what's the difference? It's the power available per size. The Jet comes in both a 3 and an 8 kilowatt variety. The Max, you can get anywhere from 6 to 36 kilowatts. Both are available in a variety of voltage combinations to better suit your needs. So the difference is obviously the power, and to be more specific, it's the element. You'll see one element here in this 3 kilowatt Jet heater, while in this 36 kilowatt Max air heater, you'll see 6 different elements. For more information, please visit TUTCOSureHeat.com. Thanks for watching.